Yeah, well, I say I have to deal with them, man, brother. I say I have to deal with them, man. Them not want to page me. Whole of last week I ring on my phone. When they finally answer him, I ask me, oh, I go on for him claim. Because I'm submitting paper, them must be about 6 months or so ago. You know, so what of this week me at that gym? Yeah, man, bro, okay, I don't know, so Chap Dem insurance really pay out like that, you know. Yeah, man, so, yeah, me at that gym, man, I say you have to deal with them, brother. Yeah, man, hold on. Yeah, I get a call. Yeah, man, Mr. Will page up. I get rid of that one quick, alright? Good afternoon, this is Chap Dem Insurance. We have your back when you get Chap. You're speaking to Sheldon. How can I assist you today?
Good evening, Sheldon. This is Horace.
Yes, good afternoon, Horace. And how can I help you, sir?
Well, I'm calling to report a
You're
car
calling about an
accident, you know.
accident.
Yes.
Wow. Well, I'll be more than happy to assist you today, Horace. Can you just give me your full name and a little more details about the accident?
Horace McFarlane, and it was a 6-car accident.
How much car you say?
6-car.
You're in a 6-car accident?
Yes, it was a 6-car accident.
Wow. Any casualties? Everybody is all right? You're okay?
No, everybody is okay. Nobody died or anything.
Oh, that is
great.
awesome to hear. That is so good to hear. But give me your name, Mr. Horace.
Horace McFarlane.
All right. All right, Horace.
Yeah.
Horace. Can I ask you a stupid question, Horace?
Come on, go ahead.
Is it 2017 Pahira meeting accident, right? I've seen two vehicles on your account.
The other car meeting the accident.
Horace, is the Mercedes-Benz meeting accident, Horace?
The Benz meeting the accident. Yes.
What is the state of the vehicle presently?
You know, so the vehicle right off.
It's right off.
Totally right off.
Horace, all right, can you give me a bit more detail about the accident? You said it was a 6-vehicle accident.
Yes.
Can you give me the models of the vehicles that you met the accident?
Well, a Porsche was involved as
Oh,
well
yeah.
in the accident, you know.
Hold on, Horace. You just said Porsche a while ago.
Porsche. You alright?
Yeah, man, alright. I'm okay. Horace, can you tell me, give me another model of another vehicle that you met?
Beamer was
You said Beamer a while ago, Horace. Sorry.
You don't sound alright. You sure you alright?
Alright.
You
BMW.
not sound cautious at all.
Yeah, man, alright, man. It's just, the office hot. All of a sudden, we just having a heat wave from the other day, you know. I think the AC not working inside here. Alright, you got 2 so far. So 3 more vehicles. Tell me another one again.
Tesla.
Horace, you just said Tesla.
No, man, you don't sound alright.
You just said Tesla a while ago. Hold on, I don't think I'm okay. You can hold on for this one.